Consider next example for NFA to DFA conversion. Alphabet contains A and B, language L is W such that second symbol from left in W is A. So this is the NFA we already have studied. First symbol from left can be A or B, second symbol must be A, and anything comes after in the string is processed in this loop. So first step in NFA to DFA conversion is to consider transition table for NFA. P on A goes to Q, P on B goes to Q, Q on A goes to R, Q on B, there is no transition, so we write empty set. R on A goes to R, R on B goes to R. Now let's start writing transition table for DFA. So we start with initial state. Initial state in DFA is same as initial state in NFA. P on A goes to Q. So here we consider state Q. P on B goes to Q. Here we consider state Q. So next reachable state. We are not copying these states. We are considering next reachable state from initial state of DFA. So we consider state Q. Q on A goes to R. Q on B goes to, there is no transition for Q on B, so we have to consider dead state, dead configuration. So here we consider a state, dead state or trap state. So next state to consider is Q. It is already here. Next reachable state is R. R on A goes to R. R on B goes to R. Next state to consider is D, that is dead state or trap state. So once the DFA enters dead state, it remains in dead state. So D on A goes to D, D on B goes to D. Now we have, so next reachable state is R, already here, R already considered, D over here, D over here. So we have considered all the reachable states from initial state of DFA. These are the states in DFA. Now we have to mark final states. So first we have to consider final states in NFA. There is only one final state. So we have to check which states of DFA contains at least one final state of NFA. So this is the only state. It contains a final state corresponding to NFA. So R is final state in DFA. Let's draw transition diagram. So P, Q, R and D. P, Q, R and D. R is the final state. We have to mark this state as final state. P on A goes to Q. P on B goes to Q. Q on A goes to R. Q on B goes to D. R on A goes to R. R on B goes to R. D on A goes to D, D on B goes to D. So this is the required DFA. So here once we enter dead state, we remain in dead state. Now in this example, transition table of NFA contains one entry which is empty set, and then when we convert this NFA to DFA, we have to use one dead state. if you consider the previous examples, then there in some example we had empty set in the transition table of NFA, but in previous cases we did not require any dead state in the equivalent DFA. So if you have empty set or dead configuration in NFA, you may or may not require dead state or trap state in equivalent DFA. You can also say that for a language L, if NFA contains empty set or dead configuration, then corresponding minimal DFA may or may not require a trap state. If NFA contains dead configuration empty set in the transition table, then corresponding minimal DFA may or may not require a trap state. This is important result.